you'd invested into 3 different items early on, but for some reason they were incorrect. Yeah, I believe the fit was
Yeah.
off. And I remember
Yeah.
following that launch. And so that set you up early on to be like, I'm the kind of person that does not compromise. When I put my mind to something, I execute 110%. Tell me a little bit about, why you took that
That
decision
part.
and why was that important?
So I have goosebumps. This conversation is
Yeah.
making me go back to a lot of pivotal moments and people in my life that really paved the way for my thinking now. And after after I got my samples going, it was a light blue, a red, and a black t-shirt with the Wolf logo right there. Right, those were the 3 t-shirts. And I got the samples are great, but once I got the bulk order in, I was so excited. I was already hyping up the samples, like this is going to launch and on this month, and just like hyping up the day. Got the samples, and they were 2 sizes too small. So if I was a large, and all my larges fit fine for my samples, but when I got the bulk, I had to put a double X on for it to fit like a large, right? And so instead of telling everyone, just order 2 sizes up, which we could have done, I remember I went to my t-shirt guy that was doing all the CG Fitness stuff. His name is Paul at T-Shirt Depot here in Missouri City. And, him and I had a great relationship. We had built the CG Fitness brand together, done all of that together, samples, print, the whole deal. And I brought all my new clothes. He was like, man, they feel amazing. Like, this is, so happy for you, supportive. He wasn't mad he was losing the business. He was supportive of it. Right. He goes, man, this is great. Because he couldn't handle the volume anymore. Right. For a single client. This is amazing. But then I told him about the sizing, and he this is the moment. He goes, man, if you want to be a millionaire,
Yeah.
do you want to be a millionaire? I go, yeah. He goes, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't put something out. This is the first, and don't do it. Remake them. And I go, you're right. You're right. So I donated all those shirts. Right. Wish I could have kept some, but donated them all. Replaced another order with the same. We sorted out the issues, expanded the color range. Instead of 3, we did 7 with a few different designs. And then, so I pretty much ate that whole first launch, which is probably maybe 12 to 15K cost or something, like 10 to 15K cost, which at the time, that was a lot of fucking money. Right.